Hi, Janelle Schaefer here with Sheep Hill Herbs. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. I'm so glad you're here today. And today is another talk and tea video. I'm drinking Dandelion Root Tea, which I will tell you all about in just a moment. And in today's video, we're going to talk about spring cleaning your body just like you spring clean your house. And dandelion has something to do with that. So hang tight and we'll dive right into the video. So before we get started, hit the subscribe button over here and then the bell notification button and also the like button, and then go ahead and leave a comment down below. What is your favorite springtime herb? So my favorite springtime herb is dandelion, and I'm drinking dandelion root right now. It is a deep brown dandelion. So I'm drinking dandelion root, and dandelion root and chicory root can be combined as well as burdock root and make a really nice coffee substitute. It has a deep, dark flavor, but it does not do to the body that which caffeine in coffee does. It is actually a stimulating herb for cleansing the body. So it's really good for the midsection, and maybe I'll try to turn my camera down a little bit. So you have going across your midsection, you have your stomach, and you have your spleen, and you have your pancreas, and you have your liver and your gallbladder. And this area it's very important to keep those digestive organs happy. And dandelions do that, dandelion root, and then also the leaves and even the flowers. So this is a plant you can eat the whole entire flower. It is safe. It is safe for all types of people. It grows in such abundance. Just make sure that you are collecting dandelions from yards that are not sprayed or where animals do not frequent to use the bathroom. But I can't wait for spring. I can't wait for those first dandelions to pop up. I'll make salads out of the greens. I'll dig up roots and chop them up and dry them for dandelion root tea. And I do have videos. If you go down in my video list, I have videos for how to make dandelion root tea and how to dig up dandelion roots. But it's like our favorite thing to do in the springtime. Just go out there and collect dandelions. You can make dandelion wine with the flowers. You can fry the flowers, make little fritters. It's just an amazing plant. I love it so much. So getting ready for spring, getting ready for that like tonifying, cleansing kind of time, spring cleaning. You open up your windows, you open up the doors, let the air blow in. So as I was describing the midsection, this is your solar plexus chakra, and this area can be activated by bringing energy here. And you can breathe into this area right below your sternum, do core exercises, wear yellow, and go outside and get the sun. So this is my, besides dandelion, my second kind of spring cleaning thing to do is so you may have been craving sun like I have been, especially if you live in northern parts of the country and there is no sun or there's lots of snow. Right now we're starting to get a glimpse of spring, and if it's too cold to go outside, I go and lay by a sunny window just like a plant and I just absorb as much of the sun as I can. I try to get that on my skin. Like I'll just wear a t-shirt or lift up my shirt a little bit, get it on my stomach. You really want to get some of the sun into your skin. I start like prepping my skin for that summer tan. And I personally do not slather on tons of sunscreen to block the sun rays. If I know I'm going to be in the sun and I haven't been, and I'm going to be out there for a long time, or if I'm going to the beach where it's really hot, I will protect my skin. But if you gradually build that, Dr. Christopher had a method of gradually building up that sun tolerance and also getting that vitamin D all through the winter. And you just start with 1 minute full body, 2 minutes the next day, 3 minutes, and you just increase it little by little. So sun, you need to get some sunshine, some sun rays, and dandelions. Dandelions have that sunny flower. So we're just starting to think. And the last thing would be starting to change your diet away from a lot of heavy or richer or thicker foods that are characteristic of the wintertime. We just did a 21-day anti-inflammatory diet, and I'm not going to go into all of that right now, but having like a lighter diet, maybe you want to take dairy out for 20 days or 21 days. Start bringing in more vegetables, more fruits, more fresh, and really just like getting your body ready for that like time. You know, the winter time is a hibernating time, and it's putting on extra weight and you know, bundling up and covering up all the skin. So we want to kind of encourage our bodies to sweat and to cleanse and to have different lighter foods when it's spring and summer, and then it kind of shifts again in fall. But we want to have that cycle kind of that healthy cycle with the seasons be replicated with our bodies too. So start to look at your diet, start to bring in some lighter foods, get rid of the heavier foods, put the ice cream away, put all the rich creamy creams from dairy away, and go without dairy maybe for a couple weeks and just see how lighter you feel. Okay, so if you have made it to the end of my video, awesome, thank you so much. And I want to just show you two things. I have them listed in the description down below. I have two books. One is an art journaling activity book, and this was made from my art journals, and the activities I have in here are actual activities I've done, and it's really to promote that artist within, that childlike artist that we all have as children and then we kind of forget about. So they're really simple activities and anybody can do them, and it activates that artistic person. So that's in my description down below. And then also my other book is The Story of the Gluten-Free Kid, and this is a children's story about a family, a goat family, who is gluten-free. And at the end of the book, there is a pizza recipe that we use. It's a gluten-free pizza recipe that the family in the story shares with you, and I share with you, and it's really great. So down below in the description, you'll see those books listed, and you'll also see my free ebook, and I'll have a description for how to get that. It's on everything you need to know to make herbal tea. So thank you so much, and come again.